Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad. We're at the Shady Pines Railroad today and moving a lathe. I've had this lathe in storage for a lot of years, and it's a pretty old lathe. I'd say probably 1860s, 1870s, somewhere around there. Ought to work for some of the things I need to start doing though. Although the chuck is a little small, so that'll work for some of the smaller work I need to do. So I'm going to move this into the shop. But we have to get it out of the barn first, and that means hauling it on the train. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this isn't the only part. This is 3 parts. Living dangerously with a train this heavy. So we've got, there we go. We've got the lathe itself. We've got the motor because it's an old cone head lathe and it needs a motor. Otherwise it'd be stuck with line shafts. It's that old, yes. And then we've got the base over here, which is a nice cast iron base that you can bolt to the floor. So all those 3 pieces, 2 of them are too heavy for one person to lift on their own, and well, this one's just too bulky. So we're going to take the box cab, Shady Pines number 10, and we're going to head on down the hill. I've got 1 car that's got brakes on it and 2 cars that don't. Well, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't go for a wild ride. I'm just going to leave you guys right here. Hope this isn't foreshadowing.
You want me to add weight to it?
Sure, if you'd like to add weight to it. figured 7.2, I figured 16.8, or whatever it was. Well, the little thing did a stellar job, I'd say. Only had to throw it into emergency once on that hill, so that was good. Air brakes are working. Only got air brakes on one car and the engine, or maybe just one car. But anyway, it's a lot more wheels than the engine's got. So, well, Time to unload this and put it in the car. I thought I had the camera rolling, and I guess I didn't when we loaded these two pieces in here. We've got one more piece to grab. Got to get the legs. That's the base for this. And this is probably the oldest lathe with an Aloris quick change tool post clone on it. Anyway, it doesn't have a whole lot of precision, but it's got just enough to do some things like making spacers and stuff like that, and washers and special things you can't quite buy. Well, I might have forgotten to hit record for loading the rest of it, but we're not going to forget hitting record for getting the base into the back of the Jeep.
Ouch. Sorry, it was caught on this.
Oh,
I was trying to get this to go. I got it. How are we in?
We need to go back a little bit more. We need to go towards Tony a little bit more.
Why?
I want to make sure that that clears the window.
It already cleared the window.
Okay, we'll just
whatever.
put it down slowly. Oh, it clears.
Yeah, it clears. Boom.
Clears easy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't even know the
If
window
you're worried
came
about
up.
it sliding, just leave that open for the ride home.
It's actually quite light, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's not
Yeah, and
slide.
it's
You
held in
can't
by
go
the-
past that.
It's held in by the tailstock,
Yeah.
so. I hope you enjoyed today's little excursion on the Shady Pines Railroad. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Share it, subscribe. Certainly if we deserve it. If you think we deserved it. If you'd like to join us over on Patreon, you can certainly do that. That helps us make more videos like this one and others. Helps us make road trips and stuff like that. Shady Pines is probably the easiest one to cover, but sometimes it's the hardest one to get to because it's the closest. Enjoy the rest of your day, and catch you in the next video. Recording? Oh. Slipped. up here and throw the switch.